Hi everybody, welcome back once again to this channel. Thank you very much for joining us once again. We're still continuing revising your 2024 trial exam, and we're going to look at this question from Northwest Province on trig function. Someone said, can you please do 6.3? Okay, so this is 6.3 from the Northwest Province. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you have subscribed. Just turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time when we upload a new session. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. All right, so this is question 6.3. It says if sine x plus y times cos x plus y is equals to t, express the following in terms of t. We are given 4 cos 90 degrees minus 2y times cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x times cos 360 plus 2y. Okay, so we need to express this trigonometric expression in terms of t, right? Obviously, the first thing we need to do there is for us to reduce it, right? To simplify it. And you can see we are given 4 cos 90 degrees minus 2y, which can be reduced, right? So 90 degrees minus 2y, it's in the first quadrant. It means that our answer must be positive, right? In this case, because all of them belong in the first quadrant. So the 90 as a cofunction will change cos into what? Into sine, right? So we'll have 4 sine 2y. Okay, when you reduce that, this is multiplied with cos 2x, then we have plus 4 sine 2x. So 360 plus an angle, it will be in the first quadrant as well. So our answer must be positive. So cos will be reduced into what? Into cos 2y. Okay, you can see that at this point we have a common factor here of 4, right? If I can just remove that 4, then I'll be left with sine 2y times cos 2x plus sine 2x times cos 2y. Okay, you can see that now we have sine cos, sine cos. Can you see? We have sine cos, sine cos. We have to be thinking about reducing this as a compound angle of sine, because we know that if we have sine A plus B is the same as sine A cos B, sine we keep the sine, we remain plus, and it will be cos A sine of B. Okay, so that's the idea, is to say if you have sine cos cos sine, you have to be thinking about reducing it into compound angle of cos, of sine, right? Similarly, if you check in this expression here, we have sine cos, sine cos. This can be reduced and the angles are the same, right? Just be careful. The angles also must be the same. So you have 2y there, you have 2y there, you have 2x there, you have 2x here, right? So if this is the case, we can reduce it into the compound angle of sine. Okay, so this will be sine what? Sine 2y plus, or we can start with the x, 2x plus 2y. Okay, just those two angles there. Okay, so we have reduced it into compound angle of sine, but the key thing for us is for us to be able to write this somewhere being the same as this, right? Or having that as well, so that we can express this expression in terms of t. Okay, so now the idea is that how do we do this? So you can see here there's a common factor of 2, right? And obviously if I want to be remaining by x plus y, obviously you can see here that I need to remove a common factor of 2, right? So this will be 4 sine. If I remove 2, I'll be left with x plus y. Can you see? Can you see that now this part has been written as the double angle of sine, right? For example, if you have sine 2x, right, you know that this is the same as 2 sine x cos x, all right? So basically the angle that will be there will be half of this, all right? Okay, so similarly if you look at that portion, sine 2 into x plus y, we have 4 on the outside. Let me use a bigger bracket. Then inside there, this is a double angle of sine, which can be written as what? As 2 sine, and then we divide the angle. So it will be x plus y, times cos what? Cos x plus y. Can you see? And you can see at this point that we can easily express it in terms of t, because it's giving us something that was equals to t there on top, right? So basically at the end, let me use a black color, we'll have 4 times 2, it's gonna be 8, right? 8 sine of x plus y and cos of x plus y, right? Then finally we'll have 8. We know that sine x plus y, cos x plus y is equals to t, so we can replace that with t. Then our answer will just be equals to 8t. Okay, so that expression in terms of t will just be 8t. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.